Hello guys, if you bought a car vouchers and didn't receive it on Steam version, that's what you need to do here. So basically you need to go to PC app on Xbox, this one here, Xbox app, and then you need to run the game through Xbox app. As you can see here, I have the games on Steam, so you don't need to install or anything or buy, just launch the game through Xbox app and then just normally I don't know, go to order show and basically redeem those vouchers here, and make sure to redeem all the vouchers because then when you go back to Steam you cannot do it again. So you just need to use Xbox app in order to redeem your vouchers, right? It's frustrating, but currently it's the only way how you can do so. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.